this is the headphones, wireless headphones, Lenovo. As you can see the logo. Yeah, we can find this one at market around $14. So if you want cheap and affordable headsets, this is the deal. Yeah, so what is the best features about this one? In the box we find the USB. We find also the buds. We find also the charging case and 4 extra rubbers. Yeah, small size and also the big size, so you can change this one and put any size you want. Then this one, the size is not that small, but they are good. Yeah, they are good. Yeah, then they have also noise cancellation. The charge on this one, it takes almost 4 hours if you're using it on music, but on call it can go up to 3 hours. Yes. Then another thing, the case, the size is not too much big, but it's portable according to me. Yes. Then inside it comes with the LED light, as you can see, charging light. This one, it can indicate that it's full or it's not full. Yes. Then also this one comes with a 40 million amperes battery, which can take you up to 4 hours, as I've said. Yeah. Then the earbuds, all the buds, they have the charging lead, which can assist you to know that it has connected or it has not yet connected, or whether the charge is full or it's not full. Then also it has the touch buttons. This one, it's not touch, but it's soft. You can use it to pick the chords or to control the music also. Yes. Then this case has 5.0 Bluetooth, which can assist you to especially in this new phones, which uses 5.0 Bluetooth, and the connectivity distance is also good. So if you're looking for cheap and affordable wireless headphones, these are the ones that you can buy at the market. Yeah, so if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Yes. All right, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.